Very good evening. This is Abigail bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. This story needs to be said. It's not a story of massive donations received and distributed to the needy during the pandemic. This is a true story of a different kind of widow's mite, but a story which was long in the making for very young little heroes, school children who are members of our Human Rights Club. On the afternoon of Sunday 18 October, the churches dedicated to Maria Assunta and Saint Francisco Borgia in the center of Santiago were attacked by local demonstrators. The Church of the Assumption was totally destroyed, while the second, the institutional chapel of the Carabinieri, was damaged but was saved by the intervention of the fire department. The attacks took place on the first anniversary of the social mobilization that began with marches and clashes that left thousands injured and 30 dead and put Sebastian Pinera's government in crisis. The Archbishop of Santiago, Monsignor Celestino Eos, and the Provincial of the Salesians of Chile, Father Carlo Lira, expressed their views on the matter. The production and distribution of over 24,000 masks in the Palabik refugee camp in northern Uganda has earned Salesian missionaries recognition from the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR. The symbolic award gives even more value to the work of the Salesians among the approximately 56,000 refugees present in the camp, mostly women and children who fled the war in South Sudan. The picture outlined by Caritas Italiana in its annual report on poverty and social exclusion published last Saturday, October 17, on the occasion of the World Day to Fight Poverty is a picture with many shadows and some light. Because the COVID-19 pandemic has hit a citizenry that has already been in difficulty for more than a decade and has brought people and households into a situation of need that until that moment was struggling, they are the new poor. Positive notes instead come from the parallel growth of solidarity. Since 2016, the Catholic Prefecture of Mongolia has entrusted the Salesians of the Mongolian delegation with a rural town called Shuvu, about 40 km from the capital Ulaanbaatar. Previously, from the earliest days of the Catholic mission, Shuvu had been entrusted to the Missionary Sisters of the Immaculate Heart of Mary. It featured a social work, a kindergarten, and a space devoted to agriculture. Then the late Bishop Wenceslao Padilla, who passed away in 2018, entrusted this promising community to the Salesians. On 10th October at the Salesian House in Chos Malal, New Kent of the South Argentina province, ARS, the Night of the Stars experience began. Since June, work has been proceeding as regards the formation of a battalion of Exploradores Argentinos de Don Bosco Scouts, and as part of this process, they organized a camp on the premises of the Salesian Center. The meeting ended with a mass during which the 19 young participants made the commitment that prepares them for the promise they shall make at year's end. On the occasion of World Mission Sunday, all 4 Salesian missionaries from Croatia gathered at the provincial house in Zagreb. Father Danko Litrik has been working in Rwanda for 39 years, Father Ivan Stojanovic in Ghana, while the young Salesians Tomislav Puskarik and Joseph Soldo await their first departure for Venezuela and Ethiopia. The meeting of provincial delegates for Youth Ministry of the Inter-America region was held from 17 to 28 October. It was presided over by Father Miguel Angel Garcia, General Councillor for Youth Ministry. Salesian joy and optimism were the keynotes among the 13 delegates participating in the meeting, during which they reflected upon GC28 and the department's 2020 to 2026 program. As a central point, the summary letter that Father Miguel Angel Garcia sent to all the region's provinces was studied, highlighting important aspects such as the care of the educational pastoral community (CEP), joint formation and accompaniment of different environments of the provinces, trying to promote the oratories, youth centers, the social works, the identity of the parishes entrusted to the Salesians and the Salesian youth movement. Given that, due to pandemic-related restrictions, people cannot go to church, Salesians and Daughters of Mary Help of Christians from the parish of Mary Help of Christians in Miapa, Columba, with the support of the Salesian Mission Office, Don Bosco Mondo in Bonn, Germany, have started collaborating to bring humanitarian aid directly to people in the city streets, along with the celebration of the Eucharist and the recitation of the Rosary. The meeting of the 15 provincial delegates for formation of the Salesian provinces of the Africa-Madagascar region took place from 16 to 28 October through the Zoom platform. The meeting was chaired by Father Ivo Sielho, General Councillor for Formation, assisted by Father Silvio Rogia and Salesian brother Raymond Calo of the same department. Also present were Father Jose Eligbede, Delegate for Formation of the Conference of Provinces and Vice Provinces of Africa-Madagascar CIVM, Father Camille Svitwager and Father Francois Dufour of the Salesian Formation Center for Africa and Madagascar SAFCEM, and Father Alphonse Wodu, Councillor for the Africa-Madagascar region, who participated in several sessions. The Commission discussed various issues of the GC28. Numerous suggestions were presented regarding the revision of the ratio and the criteria and rules for admission. The Regional Formation Plan for the next 6-year term 2020 to 2026 was drawn up. Strategies for the dissemination of materials and the Salesian Director on the Salesian personal accompaniment was also shared. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for being with us.